I also hope that the court will take immediate action, because the fact is that when someone who make a false police report is a very high, very serious offence, Surendran, very serious offence. Therefore, he has to be called as soon as possible. No delaying in this this case.
The police are dragging their feet despite reports being lodged against him.
Yeah, of course, especially with the IGP. Yeah, again, no doubt he has made statement. He said that if Jamal is caught making false statement, action will be taken against him. But till today, he has not done anything. The IGP has not done anything. So I think this is something that we have to push the IGP to do it. Yeah. So I am also hoping that IGP, with all the many reports they have given, the IGP has to do something to this guy. So now he is having a good time flying helicopter, like as though this country has no law. In fact, I question why he can go into the helicopter and all this. So this is something that is getting too much. And I think most Malaysians that I met, they are waiting for this moment. They are waiting for this moment to nab this guy because he is running wild. He's really running wild. So therefore, I think, and then he still come up with statements after statements. We show that he has no respect for the law. We show that he looks as though he has big immunity, kebal. So jadi now this time around, I'm making sure the lawyers going to do a good job out of this and really put him in his place, inshallah.